Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how I create my labels and print them from home. It's super easy, more affordable. All you need is 3 items, which is just a blank sheet of paper, a measuring tape, and a pair of scissors. So you want to start out with lining your blank sheet of paper up against your jar. You do want to make sure that it's not completely at the bottom, so you want to give it just a little bit of space at the bottom and then a little bit of space at the top as well. So I don't like to wrap mine completely around because I do like to show the color and the kind of layering that I do with my butters. So I'm not going to be wrapping it completely around. If you want to wrap it around, all you have to do is just add in, just measure another inch or so. So as you can see, it is a little bit bigger than what I would want. So then all I have to do is just trim it to fit the jar like I had it before. It could be easier as well if you just mark the sheet of paper. Probably would have been smarter for me to do that instead of just eyeing it, but hey. Alrighty, so now that I have it how I want it, I'm going to take my measuring tape and I'm just going to measure length by width. The width is going to be about, the height is going to be about 1.5 inches, and then the length is going to be about 5 inches. So now we're going to head over to Canva. You want to do create a design, go to the bottom and hit custom design. Then you want to type in your dimensions. I do want to let you know that you do have to put it in by the decimal. You cannot do a fraction, so just make sure you do that. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a design video as well, but now I'm just going through and downloading the image to my computer so then I can upload it to Google Docs. Alrighty, so now I have Google Docs open and now I'm just looking up how do I get the ruler to show. I Google everything. Google is your best friend. Anything that you have a question to ask somebody, you can easily look it up on Google as well. When you insert your image, it does make it a little bit bigger, so you just have to resize it like you did with the Canva, those same exact dimensions with the ruler that they have on Google Docs. Make sure when you print it out, you don't print it out on your sticker paper. You just want to make sure that you test it and cut it out just like we did in the beginning, just to make sure it's how you want it to be lined up. I realized that I forgot to kind of explain that you should have it on wrap text. All you have to do is just click the image and hit wrap text, so then it doesn't get a little bit crazy on you and then you're not able to move your photos. Oops. So I'm just going to move that down a little bit. Then I'm going to hit Command C. That's how it is on a Mac. I am using a Mac. I'm not sure what it's like on any of the other devices. Alrighty, so now I'm going to show you guys how I print everything. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so now you're gonna go to File and Print. You wanna make sure that the preset is set to color and fine, media and quality, and then you wanna make sure that the paper type is set to whatever paper that you have, which I'll leave in the link below, is specialty matte paper, and you wanna have the quality set as best. These are how all of my labels turned out. If you guys want to see how I create my labels or any other type of videos, just let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe to your girl. Yeah, Let me know what you guys want to see. See ya.